Wait, why it's the wind kinda strong.
Oh my god, it's a tornado ruin.
I am back at home of Huli. I be fine. I need to find safe spot. Okay, I am here. I am kinda bored, so I gonna watch TV.
Wait!
What the hell is that? Mango Olalo, what are you doing here?
Sorry I was so lonely, so I seem here. But did you see that picture what I sent to your TV?
Yes, it was weird.
Can the bus just come already?
We are being here for almost an hour.
Oh my God, we're gonna die here. Bus, come now.
Are you kidding me? It's not here?
Maybe the tornado got the bus? Wait, is that a tornado? Oh my gosh.
Yes, it is. Oh no, we gonna die.